we have some more mid-season news from that guy right there, Garrett Marchbanks, who earlier this season was racing for Club MX Yamaha, and whatever happened there, whether he dropped, it was a mutual, who knows. But the rumor was he was going back to his original pro team of Pro Circuit Kawasaki, and as of today, or as I'm recording this right now, it has been official. The team has announced he has been signed for the 2025 season. Obviously, this is the Pro Circuit was the team he turned pro with in 2018. He spent 3 years with them before moving to Club MX in 2021. So who knows? Obviously, it wasn't going the greatest year in the world for Club MX. So who knows what changed or what happened there? Whether he didn't like the bike, whether the team didn't like him, whether it was just a mutual disagreement. And they said, we can part ways and move on with ourselves. But this is a second rider leaving a team mid-season. Obviously, with Colt Nichols earlier going from Beta to Suzuki, back to a team he's already been on, and now in the 250 side, we've got a team or a guy going from a team to another team, back to the team he started with, back to another team he's already been on. I don't know. In the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think this is a good move for him? One, and also, do you think this is a good move for Pro Circuit? We think how many people are now employing. You've got Faulkner and McAdoo that are going to be coming back, I'm assuming. You've got him signed through 2025. What do you do with the fill-in ride, and what do you do with everybody else? You've got Hammerker and Kitchen and everybody else signed. Like, it's just going to be one of those big things of like, what are you going to do here? There's so many people that you're employing. Them and Star Racing, it's a gigantic part of the field. And also, they've got the problem now that Ty Masterpool is looking incredible too. So, do they sign him? Does he go to another team? It's just one of those, how many people can you actually employ, especially for just a 250 team? Obviously, it gets a little bit better with Supercross because you're only racing half of them at a time, but you still have to have mechanics for the other people, bikes for the other people, and it's just a monetary thing. How many people do you want to employ, especially with how many people do you want to employ that are injured for Pro Circuit, which is a big thing lately, or not lately, for the last 3, 4, 5 years with McAdoo and Faulkner, and Marchbanks isn't exactly a non-prone to injury person either, but I don't know. This is good for him. Obviously, moving to a full factory squad again. He's definitely never going to say no to this. It just depends on if he can get on that bike, perform, and I don't know, keep the ride or at least move up. But in the comments below, like I said, tell me what you think of this. Is it good, bad? Are you excited for it? What do you think? How well does he do in Supercross? And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.